Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam. So, whatever Krishna consciousness movement is going forward, it is due to Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's magnanimous compassion for the poor people suffering in this Kali Yuga. Otherwise, to become Krishna conscious is not very easy job. It's not easy job. So, those who are getting the chance of becoming Krishna conscious by the mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they should not lose the opportunity. It will be suicidal. Don't fall down. It is very easy. Simply chanting my Hare Krishna mantra, not always 24 hours, although Chaitanya Mahaprabhu recommends, Kirtaniya Sadahari, always chant. That is the principle. But we cannot do that because we are so much overwhelmed by the influence of Kali. So at least 16 down. Don't miss this. Don't miss this. What is the difficulty? 16 rounds. At most it will take 2 hours. You have got 24 hours. You want to sleep. All right, sleep. 10 hours sleep. That is not recommended. Don't sleep more than 6 hours. But they want to sleep. They want to sleep 24 hours. That is their desire. Kali Yuga. But no, then you will be wasting time. Minimize eating, sleeping, mating and defending. When it is need, that is perfection. Because these are bodily necessities. Eating, sleeping, mating, defending, that is bodily necessities. But I am not this body. Dehinasmin yatha dehi tumam. So that realization takes time. But when we are actually advancing in Krishna consciousness, we must know our duty. Sleeping not more than 6 hours. At most 8 hours. At most, those who cannot control. But not 10 hours, 12 hours, 15 hours, no. Then what is the use of? Somebody went to see one advanced devotee, and at 9 o'clock he was sleeping. And he is advanced devotee. Is not that? So, what kind of devotee? Devotee must rise early in the morning by 4 o'clock. But 5 o'clock he must finish his bathing and other things. Then he take to chanting and so on. 24 hours business must be there. So, sleeping is not good. The Goswamis used to sleep only 2 hours. I also like at night more. I also sleep, not more than 3 hours, but I take sometimes little sleep more. Not like I don't imitate the Goswami. That is not possible. But as far as possible, so everyone should try to avoid. And avoid sleeping means if we eat less, then we will avoid eating, sleeping. After eating, there is sleeping. So if you eat more, then more sleep. If you eat less, then less. Eating, sleeping, mating. And mating should be avoided. That is a great stricture. Sex life should be minimized as far as possible. Therefore we have got this restriction, no illicit sex. Sex life we don't say, that you cannot do, nobody can do. Therefore, sex life means married life, a little concession, a license, all right, you take this license. But not illicit sex, then you will never be able. So, eating, sleeping, mating, and defending we are defending so many ways, but still what is there, and the onslaught of material nature your country is defending so nicely, but now the petrol is taken away. You cannot defend. Similarly, everything can be taken away at any moment. So depend on Krishna for defenses. Avasya Rakhive Krishna. This is called surrender. Surrender means Krishna says that you surrender unto me. Sarvadharman Parityajya. Let us believe this, that Krishna is asking to surrender. Let me surrender. He must protect me in danger. That is called surrender.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,